tonight's the high school showcase, and what that is it's an opportunity for 8th grade families within Douglas County School District and outside of the district to come visit STEM and see what our high school program is all about. We start the evening with a brief presentation about all of the academic opportunities, athletic opportunities, enrichment opportunities, some of our highlights, and then we allow the families to move amongst our teachers and our students in their classrooms to learn more about the different subject areas. We also have our enrichment groups and our athletic teams that are here representing to talk about all the fun activities that students can be involved in.
Yeah, she's definitely an artist, and it's kind of weird because like I was telling the art teacher, I went to art school before digital, right before digital hit, and so I kind of missed out, I feel like, and I wanted her to go to STEM because there's all that science and math and engineering is thrown in alongside of, everything she's done in art is also included those things, so that's the future.
So open enrollment in the Douglas County School District opens on November 1st and closes on December 1st. And so that's a very short window in order for families to make a decision. And so what we want to do is we want to provide all families the opportunity to get to know our high school program and everything that we have to offer. If you would like to find out more information about STEM in general or our high school programs, please email info@stemk12.org.